Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, in this video, I will make a logo design including coloring theory using Figma software for a SKL videos tutorial. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is example of the logo design. So this is for the canvas or frame using a rectangle size that is 1920 and 1080. Okay, this is some some frame for the wireframe. This is a main the design or main layout, and this is second and third and more. And the last, we use this color palette for the coloring theory. I'm use three color difference, but we use this logo for this design. Okay, let's take this and this design remove. Okay, but you remember while we use this design, it should be a factor. Okay, now the logo has been cut and okay. The first step is we take a frame that is presentation, the size for the rectangle. Next, the color you is I use a black color. The more darker, a little gray color. Okay, and then we make a frame for this. Get frame, a new frame, and put on the frame also, and add a fill to white. Okay, I use white color. For this logo, we should change the color to the same color like a background. Logo is you can after you what you want, and then get to give a name. For example, uh, okay, for the size of the font, use 64. The font, it's up to you. I'm use Puffins and use and keep the distance 10% and I'll use a center margin. For that, for this rectangle, oh no, sorry. Okay, for the next, we make this rectangle, yes, and add some effect like this. Okay, add frame again, frame, and drag, get the color. Now we will still duplicate to this frame, and the size becomes smaller. But for the font, for this text, we set the size to 32. Yeah, and put on the center of horizontal. Yeah, horizontal. And we make add some effect for the background like this. No, sorry, add size change to 40. Yeah. Duplicate this logo and his size. the more bigger, and then to the left. See the color, it's more brighter, but it can visible, should be visible. F3, F3, F3. Triple F3, yeah. Okay. And this text also, color, use this. And with the guides, Control E. Size is change to more bigger and put on the back, face down. Sorry, on back. Okay. The next we create a same. No, it's the more different like this. So for the logo, for the text, and for the description. Okay, let's add finite again. Add fill, and then copy the logo to this frame and put on middle the text also. Now, for this space, we fill for the description, but we use this lam agent text. Size we use 8. No, is 10. Okay. Use this format, auto height and resize. And this space for the logo only. Add frame, fade, add fill to here. Okay. And this frame just for a logo without text. And next, we make this for more example of the logo for mockup, yeah. I mean for mockup. Okay. It's rectangle. Okay. Frame. Now user with frame. Okay. Not rectangle object, but frame. Resize again. Put on the center of horizontal and duplicate for create a rounded rectangle. Use 80. Okay. And if you want, you make a different color to insert. Yeah, I mean to insert color. So this color fill and the background back. But this logo use a white. Don't forget this frame at a stroke for highlighting. And last, we add for the color palette in here because we just use two color. Well, I mean three. Yeah. It's 1, 2, 3. Okay. stroke for the highlight. Ah, this is example of the color palette. And this just optional, yeah, up to you if you want to make decoration. Okay, for the last, we add text or details for the identity. For example, is what logo, yeah, logo, strip, coloring, strip, design. Okay, put on the middle of vertical. The logo design has done. Let's follow mockup. Okay, how? It's nice. It's amazing. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention, and I'm sorry for all my mistakes because I'm a beginner. Okay, then I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.